day is a party in the Treedome Library because literacy is what the cool kids are up to. It's here in Bikini Bottom, but it's also on the internets if you're looking for our digital library. So come on, check it out! If you're looking for a book on a particular topic, but you aren't sure exactly which book you need, just chill out and check how the books are categorized. They're sorted by color and subject area and then by prefix. Lida is looking for a book on gender, so she'll look in the DEI section. Don't forget the oversized books are on the bottom shelves. They're marked XXL. Treedome Library is open 24/7, just like campus. So come get books whenever you're feeling that itch to read. Maybe, just maybe, you have a particular book in mind. It's Friday and you want to relax with one of the books from our new fiction section. So your first step is to open the library spreadsheet. You can find this on Notion by scanning the QR code in the library or by clicking the link in the description of this video. Step 2. Lida is dying to read My Cat Yugoslavia, so just Control F for your book and scan the row to see if it's available. Great! Step 3. Fill out the sheet with your first and last name, the day you're checking it out, the day you need to return it, and change the status to borrowed. Yes! And step 4, go find the book. You'll know where it is because the location is listed in the sheet. My Cat Yugoslavia is FCM1. You can borrow 4 books at a time for a maximum of 21 days. And step 5, set a reminder for yourself so you actually remember to return it. And returning books is so easy. Just slide your book into the return box, the one right next to the library shelves. Now send a DM to Treedome Library to let them know, and you're finished. No spreadsheet required. If you return a book, you can immediately check out a new one, even if the library team hasn't had time to process your return yet. If you think Code should have a book that isn't already in the library, you can have it requested. Head over to Jira, the link to the Notion page is in the video description, and make the request for the book you'd like and give as much information on the book as you can. The library team will reach out to you after you've made your request and keep you updated on progress. Code's access to digital libraries has grown exponentially, so head over to the Digital Library Hub page via the QR code in the library or on Notion. You'll find this gorgeous, gorgeous database with all the libraries that we have access to. And this database will tell you what types of resources you'll find there, and once you have the right topic area, just use your code.berlin account to log in and access the power of the World Wide Web. On the digital library page, there's also resources on how to write your paper. So stare at the dancing text bar no longer. It may seem intuitive, code people are an intelligent sort, but knowing how to efficiently and successfully research is something that you can improve over time. Code offers research workshops and sessions on academic writing, so keep your eyes peeled in the LP and in the library announcements page on Notion and in the Slack channel Treedome Library for news on this. Speaking of, keep your eyes on this channel or on the Treedome Library Notion page to get updates and news like my personal favorite topic, the new books that are coming in. If you have a book from your personal collection that you think would fit in Treedome Library and you'd like to donate it, first of all, thank you. Second of all, it's very easy. Just put a sticky note with your name on it on the book, then put it in the book return as if it was any other Treedome book, which it will be soon. We With your consent, Code will always remember how you helped expand the community's knowledge, like this. Now go to Treedome Library and devour all the knowledge you can!